I'm a male news anchor, and this is how I do my makeup.
So I start off with some concealer. I don't really know what that word means, but I put it on the T-frame of my face. I get my face all the same color, blend it into my forehead, my nose, under those eyes, then under the lip, and on the chin. Next we have highlight, and usually I would use contour here before this step, but my contour is a little too dark. I need to go back to the makeup store, but that's for another video. I put this on the high points of my face, especially under my eyes, to make sure they don't look sunken in. And I actually have really bad razor burn in this video on my neck, so I put some of that on there to kind of blend all of that in. Next is my e.l.f. HD powder. This is good for those HD cameras, and it helps my makeup not crease, and I put quite a bit on there to make sure I don't shine too much. I'm a little embarrassed about this. This is my blush. I use this because if I don't use it, I look very, very brown on camera. I didn't even know this stuff existed, but this is my eyebrow gel. This stuff works wonders, coloring my eyebrows after I've washed them out with the HD powder. And this is my favorite because it's the easiest. I put Vaseline on my lips to keep them looking more like lips and less like an ashtray. And the last step is to put my jacket on, button that bad boy up, straighten the tie, pull the cuffs out, and just like that, boom, ready for the news.